Sunrise, Tai Chi and Qigong amidst all the bustling noise of the morning. Starting with the feet fairly close together, shift all of your weight to the right leg. Step out with the left. 50-50. Arms float up and float down. Breathe in as the arms float up. Breathe out as the arms float down. Lifting water. Arms float up and down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Arms float down. Wrist bend. Fingertips pointing toward each other like you're pressing down, We rotate up. Press up. Float down. Breathing in, press, out, pause. Inhale, exhale. Lifting the sky, pressing against the sky. Shifting all your weight to the left leg. Hold the ball, step in with the right. Hold the ball on the left-hand side. Right hand underneath. Step out with the right. Roll down from heel to toe. Warding off. One hand up, one hand down. Step back, hold the ball. Step out, ward off. Step back, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, out. Step back to Wuji. Switch to the other side. Holding the ball. Left hand on the bottom. Step out with the left foot. Heel to toe roll. Top hand goes down. Bottom hand goes up and out. Step back. Circle back. Inhale. exhale. Breathing in and out, in and out. Stepping back, holding the ball, rotating the ball so that the left hand's on top. Step out with the left, drop the left, brushing past the knee. Right hand floats up by the ear. Turn, 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 brush past the knee and push. Spiral back, holding the ball, breathing in, breathing out. Other side. Step up, hold the ball to the left side, right hand on top, left hand on the bottom. Step out, right foot, right hand drops, left hand rises, turn, 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 brush knee and push. Circle back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Brush knee and push. Neutral position. Right hand in front, like you're offering a peach. Turn to the left side. Left hand floats up, comes up next to the ear. Turn to the front, push, pull. Hands pass in front of the chest. We turn to the right, one hand out in front, one hand in back. Breathe in. Turn to the front, breathe out. One arm rolling back, the other pulling back. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Leave the left hand out, turn the palm to your face. Turn to the front. Cross wrists. Drop the right hand down to belly button level. One hand in front of the face, the left hand up in front of the face. Turn to the left. Hands change position. One hand floating up, one hand floating down. Turn, turn, turn. One hand floats up, one hand floats down. Turn, turn, turn. This is like a square. We need to round this movement off. So we shift our weight side to side, soft knees. We turn our waist. We let the waist move the hands. Cloud hands. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you're outside, you can look at your palm, look at the beautiful sky. Look at your palm, look at the beautiful sky. Looking near, looking far, looking near, looking far. Inhale in the corners, exhale. Inhale in the corners, exhale as we float across the sky. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. As the hand goes across the sky, it gets right in front. So we're turned to the front. The left hand is going to be attached to the left knee with a piece of string. We're going to float up, all the weight on the right, and we're going to lift the knee a little bit, and then come back down. Now on the right. Left. We can lift the knee as little as this, or as high as you can. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Breathe. Let's take a nice big inhale on the lift up. Exhale, going back to base. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Back to Wuji position. What we're going to do is I'm going to take a step back so you can see my feet a little bit better. Turn the left foot out 45 degrees. So put weight on our right, roll out the left. Roll down from heel to toe. Step in with the right, step out. Front knee is bent. We turn to the front. Back knee straightens, but it's not locked. So we're holding a ball in front. Reach up to the right with the ball. We're going to turn to the left, turning the body. Turn, 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 turn. Weight shifts back to the back. We're going to turn back to the front, pressing the ball to the front. Separating hands, we sink. weight to the back, push, weight to the front. Take the ball, turn to the other side. Up, back, to the front, separate, push. Other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That we're breathing is the most important thing of all. So try to breathe out on the exhale. Breathe out on the push, on the external movements. Now to close. Arms float up like a ballerina pose, circling overhead. Breathing in. Breathing out, arms float down. Relax the body. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Thank you for joining me on my little morning practice, some Tai Chi Qigong.